My personal reason for joining this project? Oh my god, I don't have a good answer for this. It's Karina's idea.
I saw someone giving away a piano and I thought to myself, you know, the space does not have a piano and this piano is free. The challenge became, how can we find a way to integrate a piano with engineering? That's where a self-playing piano basically got thrown into the mix.
I was around a few times when she was working on it and I decided to help out. I just found it very interesting and a really good test of my engineering skills towards the end of my career here at UCLA. Here's the electronic side of it.
I thought this would be something that's very different. Robots, planes, drones, those are kind of the first things that come to mind when you think of an engineering project.
The first 3 months were heavy R&D. Eventually we landed on a relatively simple design.
So basically the way it works is you have the computer, which is like the software aspect. It takes in a MIDI file, which is a type of file for music.
There's a Python package that allows you to convert MIDI files. The computer sends line by line which note to play at what time to the microcontrollers, and then the microcontrollers control all of the solenoids here.
These are the actual mechanical component that is pressing the keys when they're activated. And then it plays. That's all there is to it. You'd wonder how it took us so long.
All right.
Test number 5624.
When it played that first song, like recognizably, oh my gosh, it plays itself. That was when that moment happened.
I couldn't stop smiling.
It was a very magical moment.
A lot of the pianos that play themselves online have limitations of 5 to 10 to maybe 20 keys at once.
And we said, no, this is not a person playing a piano, this is a system playing a piano, and therefore we wanted to be able to play all 88. Well, now we need to figure out a way to actually confirm that it can play all 88 keys.
There's a song online called Rush E.
Okay, Rush E, test on piano.
There's multiple parts in it where it slams all 88 keys down at once.
When you think about it, it's not like a sound that you've really heard in person.
First of all, it was amazing. But it also shook the piano every time it did so.
And it doesn't sound good, but it sounded amazing, you know? So, yeah, that was our stress test. Excellently chosen. Engineers hate being idle. If you leave us alone, we're gonna make things. The way I describe it is it would have been harder to not make the piano. So the UCLA Engineering Makerspace is truly a very, very special place.
This was purely a makerspace project. We were just given a, hey, finish this before you graduate.
All the resources that we have are completely free to use for students. So they truly can come here with nothing but an idea and then leave with that idea made.
I feel like an overly critical parent in a sense. I can distinctly hear all of the notes that aren't playing well. The solenoid isn't firing on this one. It's not hitting hard enough. All I want to do is just rip it apart and like fix it.
Oh, I have so many ideas on how to make a better one. Now I look at the piano and I'm like, you were an excellent first piano, and I'm gonna make a better version of you.